all recorded.
You got our shirts all done, nice.
Part messed up my.
I did.
I messed up my.
I messed it up.
So anyway, man, and the title messed up my hoodie. Feels funny. Okay, so we'll kind of get this one going. Feel good?
I do.
Ready to go?
Let's do it.
You look good.
You look good too.
Yeah, this is a nice shirt.
Thanks. You look
Got
good
your
too.
haircut?
I did. I got a haircut.
Yeah,
I got a fresh cut.
Okay.
I shaved this morning. Look good.
Hey guys, I'm Scott. That's Michael. We're out here hanging out talking about the change of the season, right? We are now officially kind of into spring mode, which is a lot of excitement and anticipation for summertime. So as we change seasons, there's probably wherever we live, right? There's always this buzz, this excitement. Everything is kind of warming up. People are coming outside, right? There's a lot of things that are happening during the springtime, and that's very specific for here at the lake. So we want to talk through just like, what does this time of year look like? What does this season feel like? What should you expect to kind of happen? And one is from a perspective of understanding that this is a seasonal place, right? And it's a resort destination where you're going to have a lot of tourism, a lot of travel, a lot of summertime activities. And the springtime is the anticipation as you get ready for all of the summertime fun and stuff. So right now it's clearly warming up. Michael's short sleeve shirt on, and we got shorts, and it's feeling good. And you have this buzz about the lake where a lot of people are starting to get out and about, getting ready for the summertime season.
Absolutely. And the interesting thing too is that the season came early this year.
Yeah.
Right? So super early, and
the winter has not been winter.
We didn't have one this year,
No.
which has been really nice, actually living down here.
Sure.
But people, you're right, Scott, they are starting to work through their houses, or starting to think about what it looks like, things they may need. Also, people that did a lot of work over the winter, we're going to start seeing some inventory increase here in the next probably 3 to 4 weeks.
Yeah, so as the season changes, there's a couple of things you got to look at from a homeowner's perspective. What does that look like for your specific property? So we're going to talk about that next week on, hey, once you do own a property here, if you live here full time, great. If it's an investment property or a short-term rental or just a second home, like, what are the things that you need to do to get ready for it? But right now, specifically just in the area, a lot of the bars and the restaurants that were closed over the wintertime are starting to ramp back up. Now they don't open full time,
correct,
but they do start to open their doors maybe on a Friday, Saturday, and then eventually it'll be kind of like a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So they'll start to get those favorite lakeside bars and restaurants are starting to come alive.
Yeah, it's been nice because, like you said, those that were closed, and they'll be open on the weekend. Then it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And by the time we hit late April, going into Mother's Day, they're pretty much open 7 days a week.
And they're going to run 7 days a week all the way until
about October 15th. Yeah,
it's a long time.
Yeah, it's a long season.
So people are coming down, people are starting to book their vacations. If you're looking for like a second home, and with that second home, you're starting to get into short-term rentals and getting it ready for Vrbo and Airbnb. There's a lot of prep and things that can happen over the winter time to get it ready for this very specific time, because there's actually not a lot of bookings that even happen during the winter time. But once you kind of get to this Mother's Day, Easter timeframe, you start to see more and more bookings kind of coming up. So if these properties are a short-term rental for you, this is the time that you're going to start to see those renters start to book your property.
Yeah, and the other thing we see the early season, a lot of people had the family gathering community around Easter. Come down for Easter, start working on their properties. An interesting fact about Mother's Day that you had mentioned is it's the largest boat delivery weekend of the year.
Yeah.
So anybody who maybe bought a new boat, the boat shows over the winter, it's about that time. Mother's Day weekend seems to be a big boat delivery weekend. So that ties into dock preparation, lift preparation, those things that are happening kind of right now around us.
So as we get into this spring season, again, everybody is just getting things prepped and ready for the summer season. And that's no different than the real estate side of stuff. So if you think about inventory and homes on the market, there is this kind of maybe winter lull a little bit, because as you exited last summer, right, and you ended the season, for all those families that were looking to sell their home this season, they basically took the winter months to kind of get the property prepped and ready to go. And so what that means is, if inventory was a little bit lower, or if you're shopping, you didn't quite see what you were looking for, all of those homeowners and families, right, spent their last year going, hey, this is our final season. We're gonna take the winter, we're gonna paint, we're gonna clean, we're gonna fix, we're gonna repair, and then come springtime, we're gonna get ready to list. So you are going to see this influx of homes on the market and properties and inventory, and everything is going to start to increase.
Yeah, and we're already getting calls now of people that are thinking. And the interesting thing too is we're seeing people that may be in a condo today, but they want to step into a single family detached. Then we have some people from maybe an age or lifestyle, they're in a single family detached on the water, they want to go into a condo. So we're also trying to put people together the best that we can, but we're seeing a little bit of that we're trying to get calls now for this spring.
What is like the percentage point of increased volume? Like what should you see from like an inventory level perspective?
Well, typically we see at least 10% come up. The last couple of seasons hasn't been that high. People held onto their properties. I think there's a lot of reasons for that, but we're roughly about a 10%, which is still a significant number.
So springtime is a great time here. I think when we talk about the changing of seasons, what's great about Lake of the Ozark is it has seasons, and with seasons comes a different feel and a different vibe. And I can think back to like our maybe October videos and going into fall, and fall is always a great time because it's kind of the end of the season and it calms down and it chills a little bit, because the summers are just chaotic. Like there's a lot of action and a lot of things going on in the summertime. So you get out of the fall and kind of love the leaves falling. It cools down a little bit. You have this peaceful and calmness. And then once you kind of hang out through the winter time and the leaves have fallen, it's kind of blah and cruddy. But springtime is probably the second best. I think fall is my favorite. Springtime is the next one, because there is a lot of excitement and anticipation happening right now, and people are coming outside and cleaning their property and fixing their dock. And this next video next week, we're going to talk about what it's like to kind of de-winterize your property and what it looks like to get it ready for the summertime and certain things. But right now is a special time. It's warming up. People are coming out, getting ready for the summertime tourism season, right? And I think with anticipation of that, more inventory is going to come available. So if you are shopping, whether it's condos or single families or off water, now is a great time to like get your home search set up, really understand what it is you're looking for, dial in your location, get your pre-approval on your loan. Like when that perfect property hits, there's going to be other people that are going to be interested in it too. So we got to make sure that we have your search set up, we know what you're looking for, but then we are in a perfect position to look at the property, make an offer when the time comes, because competition is going to be a thing.
Yeah, and we're starting to see that now in certain price points. We're starting to see multiple offer again already. So those that are prepared and ready to go, we could move quick.
Super cool. So definitely a fun time of year. Definitely got a summertime vibe coming. Definitely weather's warming up and there's a lot of anticipation for what this summer is going to be. We're here ready to go when you are. So if you are thinking about single family purchase, condos, moving here permanently, finding that second home, vacation home, maybe a cabin, like whatever it is that you're looking for, now is a really, really great time to dial in your needs, your wants, your locations, your whys, all of that stuff that we're going to be talking about moving forward. And obviously we're here to help you with those, right? Shopping at Lake of the Ozarks can be deceiving from a distance. We've talked about it a bunch of times. The lay of the land, location is obviously super important. So now is a perfect time to dial in a home search, figure out what you want, the price point, get lending, all those things check the box, right? Because when the perfect property does come up, we got to be ready to basically show the home, write an offer, and beat out the next person. So fun time of season, warming up. We're going to have a lot of fun this year. And obviously we want to try to connect with you the best that we can. So these videos are fun. Hanging out back is fun. Obviously, connecting with you is more fun. So call us, text us, email us, jump on a Zoom call, come into town. We'd love to host you. Whatever we can do to help you with your Lake of the Ozarks purchase, clearly we would love to do that. So till then, gang, we'll see you on the next video.